Hindi nga ba sulit ang pag-i-invest? Check natin. Alam mo ba kung nag-invest ka sa PhilEquity January of 1995 ng 10,000 pesos? As of September 16, 2022, the value of your 10,000 pesos is already 297,800 pesos. Yes, it took 27 years, pero what if nagdagdag ka sa investments mo on a monthly basis? Pinagdaanan pa niyan ha, Asian and global financial crisis, COVID, and so many kuditas in between. What if wala ang lahat ng mga negative events na yan and the market is up and doing good? Magkano na kaya ang value ng investments mo? Kapatid, diyan na nagiging milyonaryo ang isang ordinary Filipino citizen. Discipline partnered with a